Quick tip number 6. Notice tip of the hat. I'm really reaching the bottom, scraping the bottom now, huh? So the fundamental forces that affect our perception, this is tip number 6. And this one is positivity bias. And positivity bias is no matter what happens to us, no matter what happens around us, we always find the silver lining. We're always looking at the positive side of things. So the entire world can collapse around you, and the first thing you think is, I get to start over. This will be cool. I can begin anew. And you may have lost everything. And it's kind of, if you think about it, it's kind of a nice world to be in because you're always kind of on the sunny side of life, right? But where it can cloud us from a perception standpoint is if we're always looking at everything rosy, then we're also kind of choosing not to look at the things that could be a threat or a danger or the bad stuff that we need to fix. We just sort of blow that off. Well, yeah, that happened, but this is what's really awesome, right? So it can affect our perception by giving us a false idea of what is real. And we're always looking towards the positive side. So you have to remember that when you're looking at stuff, am I looking at the true picture, or am I only trying to find the positive side of everything, and there's this big freight train coming and I'm not even looking at it because that's negative and I don't want to look at negative, I'm looking at positive. So again, positivity bias, we tend to always look for the good stuff, we always look for the positive side, but we could be missing something really negative and then it could suddenly just slam and hit us really hard because we're choosing to ignore it. So again, it can really affect perception in a big way. So that's the tip of positivity bias.